In this video, we will go through Linux commands which can be used for any Linux-based system performance analysis in 60 seconds. Uptime command. This is a quick way to view the load averages, which indicate the number of tasks processes wanting to run. This gives a high-level idea of resource load or demand, but can't be properly understood without other tools. Dmesc command. This views the last 10 system messages if there are any. Look for errors that can cause performance issues. The example above includes the killer and TCP dropping a request. Don't miss this step. Dmesc is always worth checking. vmstat command.virtual memory stat. It prints a summary of key server statistics on each line. mpstat command. This command prints CPU time breakdowns per CPU, which can be used to check for an imbalance. A single hot CPU can be evidence of a single-threaded application. pidstat command. Pidstat is a little like tops per process summary, but prints a rolling summary instead of clearing the screen, useful for watching patterns over time. iostat command, great tool for understanding block devices' disks, both the workload applied and the resulting performance. freem command, the right two columns show buffers for the buffer cache used for block device I/O, cached for the page cache used by file systems. sar and dev command, tool to check network interface throughput. rxkbxtxkbs as a measure of workload, and also to check if any limit has been reached. Top command. The top command includes many of the metrics we checked earlier. It can be handy to run it to see if anything looks wildly different from the earlier commands, which would indicate that the load is variable. A downside to the top is that it is harder to see patterns over time, which may be more clear in tools like vmstat and pidstat, which provide rolling output. Look for errors and saturation metrics, as they are both easy to interpret and then resource. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share the channel for more informative videos.